Welcome to CEO Money. I'm Michael Yorba. Thanks for joining us. My guest is John Vandermosten, Senior Biotech Analyst with Zacks Small Cap Research. John, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Michael.
All right, let's talk about the larger trends in biotech, and then let's drill down into, larger trends in venture capital, and then drill down into what's going on specifically in the biotech market, okay?
Yeah, sounds good. So for venture capital trends in the second quarter, they've been pretty strong. For the market as a whole and in the healthcare space. There's a great report that comes out from PricewaterhouseCoopers and CB Insights. They have a report that they very kindly share with the investment community. And it showed that in the second quarter, there were $23 billion allocated to over 1,400 deals. I mean, this is a tremendous increase, up 20% over the prior year in the second quarter, and deals were up 6%. So one thing that we should note about this specifically is that the deal size was up, and this was largely due to just later stage deals taking place. And if we look at the first half, we saw capital invested up 32% to almost $50 billion, about $47, $48 billion, something like that. So, it's been a tremendously strong first half and second quarter this year so far. We've seen a little bit of, if we look at the top 5 sectors in the second quarter, technology is the largest area, about 610 deals and $8.9 billion allocated to that. Healthcare has been perennially the second largest area for investment. And as we mentioned in some of our other segments here, some of the companies that have contributed to this, there are 216 deals in the second quarter in the healthcare space and $5.3 billion allocated to it. So these are pretty big numbers, and they're up pretty substantially year over year, showing that there is a lot of interest in the venture capital space.
I'm sure that there is. Is there anything else that I missed in the interview that you think we should be bringing out, John?
Well, I would suggest to our viewers to take a look at some of our company-specific discussions that are in some of our other videos, where we talk about some of the top companies such as Grail, who received $300 million in capital for some projects that they're working on. So stay tuned, and there's some other great content here that we can share.
I'm glad to have you as our contributing editor to our biotech and venture capital team. Thank you so much for being a guest, John.
You're welcome.
You've been watching CEO Money with Michael Yorba. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be back with more great content about the biotech space with John Vandermosten.